Okay guys, so this is going to be a New Year's look and it's a pink look with a little bit of glitter. Okay, so here I'm applying a purple eyeshadow to the crease and we're going to blend that from the outer edge to the inner corner. Now I'm blending out the edges of this purple that we applied in the crease so that when we apply our highlight color it blends seamlessly. Now I'm applying a deeper purple to the outer corner inner crease of our eyes so that it has some depth to the eye. Okay, so now I'm applying a fuchsia pink to the mobile lid of the eye, and this is going to be our base for the pink that I'll be applying a little bit later on. Now I'm applying that Bravo highlight and I'm ensuring that I blend it into that purple that we blended up a little bit so that it looks seamless. Occasionally I will touch up a bit of the colors so that they stay vibrant. And this is the glitter that I'll be using, just a pink fuchsia glitter. Here I'm applying the lash glue. I didn't too like using the lash glue, so soon I'll be getting one of those glitter adhesives. And here I'm applying the glitter on top of that lash glue that we applied, and you need to be careful with this. Take your time and apply the glitter. Here I applied a bit of tape around the bottom of my brush and I rolled it on my face to take off the excess fallout of glitter. Now I'm applying a light pink eyeshadow to the inner corner just to brighten up the eyes a bit. Now I'm just lining the lower waterline with a black pencil to darken and kind of close the eyes a bit because I won't be applying liner to the top lash line. And I'm applying my concealer for highlight because you know it's New Year's Eve, you want to have that glam look. So I'm going to add my highlight and then apply my foundation and contour powder. Now I'm applying that purple and that eggplant purple, that deep purple that I applied in the crease to the waterline to kind of smoke out the eye look a bit. Okay, so for my lips, I'll be outlining my lips with a dark brown pencil, and then I'll be applying a pink lipstick, lip gloss thingy to the inner portion of my lips to have that ombre house look. Okay, so for the finishing of the look, I'm just going to apply a pink, rosy pink blush to my cheeks, and that will be it for the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and happy new year to everyone. I hope you all have a prosperous new year, and I hope you do better and greater things for 2015. Thank you for watching my videos and helping me grow. Thank you very much from me, Moya. Love you.